Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I go from dry hair to a soft, defined twist out. I'm starting off on really old hair. I recently took out my braids that I had in for 2 months. So my hair is knotted, it's matted, it's dirty, and it needs to be washed. Hopping straight in the shower, I'm using warm water to wash my hair. But before applying shampoo, I like to make sure that my hair is fully saturated with the water. To help speed up the process, I'm going to use my hands to help squeeze the water into my hair. I have low porosity hair and it takes a really long time for my hair to suck up the water. Once my hair is fully saturated, it's time to get my shampoo. Squeezing 2 pumps of this Ajwa shampoo into my hand and working it into my hair. It's been 2 months since I washed my hair, so I want to make sure I do a really good job. This shampoo lathers so well, as you guys can see. I really focus it on my scalp, my roots, and the ends. So using the pads of my fingers, gently massaging my scalp, splitting the section, and working my way all around my scalp and my hair. Once that's done, I go ahead and get some warm water and I rinse that all out. Once the shampoo is all out, I go ahead and apply my second round of shampoo. Personally, I love shampooing my hair twice. It gets my hair and scalp squeaky clean and it allows my hair to absorb the conditioner. So just doing the same thing, spreading the shampoo all throughout my hair, massaging it into my scalp, making sure that there's no buildup, residue, or anything like that on my scalp. And finally rinsing it out with warm water. Next, I'm going in with this Ajwa hair mask. It's super thick. It does an amazing job at getting my hair nice and moisturized. It creates a great slip and it smells really good. So I'm just applying a generous amount to my hair. And if I need more, I definitely would go back and grab some more. Splitting that section and making sure to cover every single strand. Since it's been such a long time since I detangled my hair, I have a lot of shedded hair. So at this point, I like to use my fingers to detangle. I don't use any combs or brushes. I like to leave my deep conditioner in for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it out. I twist that section up, and once my whole entire head is filled with deep conditioner, I gently rinse it out just a little bit. Take my wide tooth comb, start at the ends, and work my way up. Once that section has been detangled, I go in with a smaller tooth comb or brush and detangle again. This ensures that my hair is thoroughly detangled. Making sure that your hair is properly detangled is going to give you the best results when you style your hair next. So you want to take your time and detangle from your ends and work your way up. Detangling from the ends and working your way up helps to minimize knots. If you start at the roots and work your way down, you're going to create massive knots and it's going to take you even longer to detangle your hair. Now that all my sections have been detangled, it's time to rinse out the deep conditioner. I just stick my head underneath the water and let the water do its thing while I gently rub my scalp and lift my twist. Once I'm out of the shower, I let my hair dry in a hair towel for about 5 minutes while I get dressed. So I'm going to be using Ajwa's leave-in conditioner and I'm applying a generous amount to each section of my hair. Really working it in and adding more if I need to. Grabbing a little bit more and adding it to my ends. Then following up with my favorite hair oil, Hibiscus Fusion. Smoothing that through and coating every strand. Taking my wide tooth comb, then my detangler brush just to ensure that my hair is still detangled. Now we're going to create some twists. I'm going to be creating medium-sized twists and I'm going to be twisting them as tight as I can without causing a headache. When I get about halfway down, I'm going to take my detangler brush and detangle my ends. Leaving about 1 to 2 inches of hair. Taking that and twirling it around my finger, creating a nice little coil. Now onto this section of my hair. I did the rest off camera. Wetting the section because it's now getting dry, smoothing that water through my hair and down to the ends. Taking my leave-in and smoothing it in, making sure to use my fingers to really work it in. Adding a few drops of my Hibiscus Fusion hair oil. So this oil is going to lock in moisture, add an amazing scent, add shine, and promote hair growth. Taking my detangler brush, starting at the ends and working my way up. This brush gets my hair super detangled and it makes my curls pop. Now I'm going to be creating my twist. Twisting as tight as I can, but not to cause a headache. When I get to the end, just twirl it around my finger. And just repeating the same steps all over my head. So now that we're all done, this is what my twists are looking like. And for nighttime, I'm going to wear a bonnet, or you can wear a satin scarf. A bonnet is going to ensure that your hair doesn't move around and it doesn't flatten out. A satin scarf, on the other hand, is going to keep everything in place, but it's going to make your hair flat. I ended up using a jumbo bonnet, which let my hair move around freely and it didn't make my hair flat at all. Taking off that bonnet, my hair is nice and dry. My twists are super bouncy. They haven't lost any moisture because I made sure to use something satin. Going in with my hair oil again, putting it all over my fingers. This is going to add shine and also it's going to help reduce any frizz. Just smoothing that all over my hair. Adding a few more drops to my fingertips, and I'm going to be using this to help me untwist my hair. Just taking my time, starting at the ends and unraveling my twists. I'm just going to undo all of my twists first and then I will start separating. So on this side of my head, all I did was undo my twists. Now we're going to go a little bit further and start separating more. You want to separate your hair where it naturally wants to separate, like right here. That's the area that you want to pull apart. If you see any frizz, just wrap it around your finger. This is one of the reasons why I put a little bit of oil on my fingers while I was taking out my twists. So keep in mind, the more you separate, the less definition you'll have, but your hair will have more volume. You'll also have a lot more frizz if you keep separating. If you keep your sections big, you'll have more definition, flatter hair, and less frizz. So this is what my hair looked like after taking out my twists. I kind of didn't like how flat my hair looked, so I decided that I was going to pin some back. So just taking a small section at the front of my hair, I'm going to do a flat twist and twist it all the way down to the very end of my hair. Sometimes I forget when I cut my hair. The styles that looked good on long hair sometimes don't look the same on shorter hair. So I'm learning how to do my hair all over again. So I'm just taking that section and pinning it back and hiding it underneath my hair. I went ahead and kind of did my edges at the front, tied it down with a scarf. So these are my final results: definition, shine, and a great shape. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one.